What's going on, everybody? I just got off work. It's a beautiful day out. I decided to do a little two bait challenge. Gonna hit a pond right behind my house here, and maybe another one. I'm gonna throw a frog and a wacky rig. Just two baits, and I'm gonna see how many bass I can catch. And if you enjoyed this video, consider hitting that like button and maybe subscribing to the channel. It helps a lot. Let's go. About right in there. Oh, got hit. I don't know what it was. Try it again. There it is. There he is, guys. Boom. Right in the top of the mouth, too. Perfect. Oh, man, it's feisty. There we go. Number one. Just had to let him eat it a little longer. Just right where the water runs in on this little creek. There he is. Oh, that's a nice one there. There we go. A little bit better one. That will do. Number two on the wacky rig. It's cool. Alright, on to the next spot. Got two on the wacky rig, got one bite on the frog, but I don't even know if it was a bass. So, going to the next pond. We'll see if we can finally get one on the frog. There we go. There we go. Pretty one there. There it is. Number three. It's dark. On the wacky. Good stuff. There we go. Oh, that was a nice one. Best one yet by far. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That's brutal. Absolutely brutal. Man, that stinks. Oh. That's just tough. Definitely the best one yet. Man, that's tough. Oh. Alright, now we're out of here. That hurts. It hurts. Well, that stinks. That was the biggest one yet by far. That could have been, I don't know how big it was, but it was big. It was big. And I never got a hook into it, so that's alright. Caught one there, lost that one. Now we're going to spot number three. Come on. Man, you'd think there'd be one right in there. There he is. No! Ah! Losing fish. Oh, I just missed one. Oh! Oh. Man, I keep losing fish. It's just brutal. I can't get a hook in these things. Oh. All right, it's about dark and I am gonna hit it. I'm hungry. That was tough. That one I lost on the frog felt like a good size one. And the boil, when it bit, it looked good. And that one I lost on the wacky rig was running hard too. It felt like a good size one. I don't know. When you don't see them, it's easy to say they're big. But yeah, overall fun. Tough losing fish, but it's a good way to spend the evening anyway. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Give it a subscribe. We'll see you on the next time.